Hi, in this video I want to show you how to make duet with other users on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Then you find the desired video in TikTok. For example, I take this video, it's my video, and then you should be click on the three dots on the right bottom corner, and then click on the duet button. Then you can choose the format or other setting of the right, and then click on red button for recording. Okay, then click on the red check mark. Okay, then click next. As can we see, it's duet with my account, my video. Then click post. Go to your profile, and wait for video was downloaded. As can we see, it's duet. This all. Goodbye.